Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on security. And as you can see here, we've got our SIM card, so just tap on it, and here we can tap on change SIM pin. Right now we have to enter our current pin, so let me do it, tap on OK, and we can enter a new one. So let me enter something like that, tap on OK and retype it in order to confirm. And as you can see, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that from now on, if you will restart your device, then it will require the new pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change the SIM pin in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.